Silver, a metal that rarely makes headlines, yet silently sits behind every major financial shift. Some people say, silver is a dead asset, and then suddenly, silver moves 50% to 100% in just months. So the real question is, how does silver actually move? Who controls its price? And why does silver move late, but reward the most? This video is not a price prediction. This video is about the mechanism of silver. If you truly want to understand silver, watch this till the end. Silver is the only major metal in the world that plays two completely different roles. 1. A monetary metal. 2. An industrial metal. Gold is mostly stored. Copper is purely industrial. Silver is both. That's why silver behaves differently at different times. Sometimes it moves like gold. Sometimes it crashes like an industrial metal. When the economy is strong, industry buys silver. When fear enters the system, investors buy silver. Silver constantly lives between two worlds. Silver demand stands on four major pillars. Silver is the backbone of modern technology. Solar panels, electric vehicles, smartphones, 5G infrastructure, medical and defense systems. An electric vehicle uses 2 to 3 times more silver than a traditional gasoline car. Green energy is impossible without silver. When inflation rises, the dollar weakens. Stock markets become unstable. Investors look for something real. Silver coins, bars, and ETFs see massive demand. This type of demand can push silver prices violently upward. Countries like India and China play a huge role. When gold becomes expensive, silver becomes the alternative. This demand is slow, but extremely stable. Military technology, medical reserves, energy systems. This demand is mostly invisible, but it never disappears. Here's the biggest problem in the silver market. Supply is not flexible. Why? Because nearly 70% of silver is mined as a byproduct. Silver is produced when companies mine copper, zinc, a lead. If base metal production slows, silver supply automatically slows. Rare, extremely expensive, can take 10 to 15 years to develop. Demand can rise quickly, supply cannot. This imbalance is why silver moves explosively. Now we enter the most controversial topic: futures contracts, ETFs, options, derivatives. In paper markets, silver exists as numbers, not metal. For every 1 physical ounce of silver, there may be 100 or more paper claims. As long as investors trust the system, no one demands delivery. Everything appears stable. But when physical shortages appear, investors want real metal. Paper prices disconnect. Physical prices explode. This has happened before, and it can happen again. Gold is the signal. Silver is the amplifier. Gold moves first. Silver follows later, but much harder. Gold up 10%. Silver up 30 to 50%. Gold builds trust. Silver builds wealth. Silver is extremely sensitive to macroeconomic forces. Interest rates, inflation data, dollar strength, central bank policy, global debt levels, energy transitions. High interest rates suppress silver. Lower rates release it. Silver doesn't chase headlines. It responds to liquidity. 3 main reasons. 1. The silver market is small. 2. Speculation is high. 3. Industrial and monetary demand often conflict. Silver punishes impatience, but it rewards conviction. It stays quiet for years, then delivers life-changing moves. Silver tends to move when gold is already rising. Inflation surprises the market. Physical shortages appear. Energy demand accelerates. The dollar trend reverses. Silver always moves late, but hits the hardest. The next 10 years will be shaped by clean energy expansion, AI infrastructure growth, electric vehicle dominance, currency devaluation, supply shortages. Silver sits at the intersection of technology, energy, and money. Very few assets have this positioning. Silver is a process. Those who watch price panic. Those who understand systems accumulate. Silver is not just the future. It is the transition metal of a changing world. If this video helped you understand silver on a deeper level, like the video. Subscribe for more insights on money and metals. and comment Silver System.